Karnataka Legislative Assembly on Tuesday passed the Greater Bengaluru Governance Bill, which aims to establish a maximum of 10 city corporations to decentralize municipal administration. The bill moots the founding of Greater Bengaluru Authority, in which the Chief Minister will be ex-officio chairperson, the Minister in charge of Bengaluru will be Vice-Chairperson, and the Chief Commissioner of GBA will be ex-officio member secretary. Ministers holding home, urban development, transport and energy portfolios from Bengaluru will be ex-officio members. Apart from them, the mayors of city corporations, two members from each city corporation nominated by city corporation members will be a part of GBA as members. All members of the Legislative Assembly whose constituencies lie in the Greater Bengaluru Area shall be permanent invitees to GBA. However, the BJP opposed the bill and walked out of the assembly, saying it would divide Bengaluru and its identity would be lost. The bill aims to replace the BBMP Act 2020, which was enacted when the BJP-led government was in power. In the process, the municipal election has been delayed since September 2020. Leader of opposition R. Asoka said dividing Bengaluru, which was built by Kempe Gowda, will lead to its curse. The bill was passed in the absence of the opposition. Later, when the opposition came back to the assembly, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, who is in charge of the Bengaluru development, said that there will be a meeting on 27 July with the legislatures from Bengaluru and the ministers to clear doubts on the bill.
The way they are politicalizing, that's all. I don't want to do anything in a haste. I want to have tabled it, let it be decided thread by thread, inch by inch, or word by word. Let they discuss, because we want a good governance in the Bangalore. Bangalore is growing a lot. 1 crore 40 lakh is the population. Adjacent to that, there are 7 CMCs. Looking at all the infrastructure, looking at all the financial structure, one side, lot of this one is coming. So administration, we want to see that the administration is doing well. So we have just brought a bill. So let all the opposition party, I don't want to do it in a haste, or it is not only the Congress party or Congress party. We have a bill, we know that. But still I don't want to do that. I will discuss with all party legislators and take their advice.
BJP had opposed the provision in bill that empowers the state government to nominate 3 people as its representatives, of which one should be a person belonging to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, one should be a woman, and one from other categories on the board of every assisted society. The bill says the nominated people can vote in all meetings and elections of the cooperative society and can also contest in all the elections of the cooperative society. The ex-officio members and nominee from a financial or credit agency shall have voting rights but are not eligible to contest as office bearers. BJP alleged that this provision was included so that the ruling party could have control over the cooperative societies by nominating its members. Meanwhile, Cooperative Minister K.N. Rajanna and Law Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil dismissed the charge. The bill was passed earlier by the Assembly but could not be cleared by the Council. As a result, it was returned to the Assembly again. 2 more bills got the nod. The Assembly also passed an implementation of chess on film tickets and over-the-top OTT subscription fees and Karnataka Legislature. Prevention of Disqualification, Second Amendment Bill 2024 on Tuesday. The OTT subscription bill, which will impose a charge ranging from 1 to 2%, will be applied to cinema tickets, OTT services, and related revenue-generating establishments in the state. The funds raised will create a dedicated fund to support social security and welfare schemes for artists, including actors, musicians, dancers, and those in technical and manual roles within the industry. The Karnataka Legislature also passed the Karnataka Legislature Prevention of Disqualification Second Amendment Bill 2024, which amends existing regulations to exempt specific high-ranking positions from disqualification under Karnataka's legislative laws.